Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you're all having the most wonderful day. Today's video is all about Christmas at Poundland. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. It makes me so happy. I love it. I get together with all my family. This year, after having a disappointing Christmas last year and the Christmas before being in lockdown, this year I get to see a lot more of my family. So I am so excited. So this will probably be a number one part of my Christmas videos. I hope you guys really enjoy, and without any further ado, we're going to get into it. So guys, this bag is jam-packed full of Christmas goodies from Poundland, and I'm going to get started with my first two items. These are not so much Christmas decor, more cellophane wrap to allow me to make Christmas hampers and Christmas parcels. So you're getting a 50 centimeters wide 10-meter cellophane, which is an awesome price for £1. I bought two of these. I probably will use the 20 meters, so that's awesome. If you guys do any hobbies or gift make, this is always excellent stuff. I usually tend to buy quite a bit of this and keep it throughout the year. So I'm super happy with that. I bought this gorgeous roll of Christmas paper. It cost £1. This Christmas paper, we're getting 12 meters of Christmas paper. So 12 meters, it's a deluxe gift wrap. And I just love the little gingerbread men and gingerbread ladies, the Christmas trees and all the candy canes. But this is a huge roll. It is a huge roll of Christmas paper. So I am totally set for Christmas wrapping. What else do we have? We have a ton of things inside this box. We have an elf advent calendar. This elf advent calendar has been a little bit destroyed, but I just thought it was super fun. It is the elf on the shelf, and look how cute all these pictures are. Let's go ahead and rip it open. And I'm probably not going to open all of these little doors, but maybe a couple, so we can see. I've totally destroyed this advent calendar by putting it in the shopping bag, but it is super fun. I love that it is wrapped so none of the windows get open, and you'll notice a lot of the chocolates have actually, I can feel them, they've fallen to the bottom. This was in perfect condition when I purchased it. I have totally destroyed this, but I think it is super lovely. But we're going to just have a look at a couple of the little chocolates. We have just our standard chocolate with some of our standard decorations. Nothing related to Elf on a Shelf, I guess. You can see a lot of the little doors chocolates have popped out and are currently all sitting at the bottom, but it was super cute when I bought it. This one is adorable, but I have totally destroyed it. That is totally fine. I will eat all the chocolates, but I just thought it was really cute. I like the fact at the back that you have a little drawing that you can cut out and color in. It's a little bit of an activity as well, so that's a lot of fun. And guys, these are totally nut safe. I have a nut allergy, so I find it very, very hard to get food products that don't contain nuts. So I love it whenever you're able to just grab something that says it's completely nut free. So that's pretty awesome. I got some fun little snowflake window stickers. They're 18 in a pack. I have one solid window at the front of my house, and I like to make it look like it is snowing. So these are adorable, and they are super easy to attach, super easy to remove. And you're getting 18 in a pack. So I have enough. I think I only purchased 2 packs. I think I have enough to completely fill my window, and it's going to look adorable. I also purchased this Christmas garland. I had one of these last year in the candy canes. I used blue tack to attach it. It's 2 meters long and it fits along the wall of my kitchen, and it just gives a little bit of Christmas sparkle to my kitchen. It is metallic, and it is just a lot of fun. A little bit of work in setting it up, but I don't mind that. I usually do that on a night when I have not a whole lot to do, and I lace the lace through. I don't mind. It doesn't take that long, I guess. Probably about half an hour to put it together and two minutes to put it up. So I'm so excited. I got these adorable Noel foil gift tags. They are sparkly and red. It comes in a 10 pack and they're only £1. They are so adorable. Look at those. Look at the sheer sparkle. Love the little Christmas tree effect. I think that's very kind of nostalgic and old-fashioned, something that I really, really like. We bought, we'll leave the biggest thing to last. I purchased candy cans. These were actually one of my first Christmas. You can see I've destroyed all the boxes by packing them this way, but that's fine. I always buy candy cans as soon as I see them. These were actually my first purchase when I walked through the door, and they are a set of 12 peppermint candy canes. I bought 2 packs because I like to, the color scheme of my tree is white and red, so this fits in perfectly, and they're just pretty standard, 144 grams, pretty standard candy canes. I really like candy canes. The kids never leave the candy canes on my Christmas tree, so I usually buy 2 packs to make sure that I can replenish. A couple of little cute Christmas decorations. These little Santa sleighs, they are just little plastic sleighs in gold. I usually like silver, but they only had them in gold and I love them, so I picked them up, and they're little Santa sleighs. Now what I will do with these is I have little mini parcels that I will pop inside to make it look like the sleighs are full of toys, and they will just be cute and adorable. These are for hanging on your Christmas tree. That is not what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to use them as sit-down decorations and fill them with little mini parcels, which are just really, really cute and adorable. I just think they're so sparkly and a lot of fun. What else did we get? Oh, I got a ton of these. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll pop some up here. So on my Christmas front window, I want to have little snow filling just the bottom of my my window to make it look like I have snow falling. And I think it will be so pretty to have the window with all of these just scattered generically around the window, and have my little window, or have my little window snow at the bottom. I think that's going to be so cute. What else did I purchase? Oh, I purchased some fun things. Like if I pull everything out of the bag, it might be easier. So love a good Christmas cup, and these are paper cups. You get 16 in a pack. I thought I had purchased the matching plates. I obviously didn't. I will rectify that and go back and buy them, but these are pretty nice. They're not too flamboyant, and they say Merry Christmas. They're in red. It goes with my theme, and you're getting 16 paper cups in each pack. I purchased 2 of the packs, which I think will be awesome. We have got some little, where are they? We purchased, oh my goodness, there's so much stuff. We purchased 2 packs of the chocolate coins. I love white chocolate coins. These are for me to munch on. And you get so many. You're getting 130 grams for £1, which I think is pretty awesome. And because they're white chocolate, they're my favorite. I will eat all of those. And I purchased a pack of these Justice League milk chocolate coins, and you can see through the bag they have they have the superheroes. We have Flash, Superman. Who else do we have? We've got another Flash. Oh, do we have any other ones? Let's have a look. Oh, these are super difficult. We have Batman. We have the Justice League. So you have a ton of, and we have Wonder Woman. Wow. Super, super cool. So you have a ton of, excuse me, you have a ton of chocolate coins. In this pack, you're getting, does it tell you? It doesn't tell us we're getting 100 grams. So I'm getting more chocolate for my money buying the white chocolate coins, but I think these will be so much fun. I could even use some of these to put inside my little Sleighs. So they're going to be a ton of fun. I purchased this little pedigree tasty Christmas treats to get their tails wagging. Little Christmas cracker for my dog. This Christmas cracker was £2. I don't mind paying a bit extra for something like this, especially because you're getting a brand name. But inside you get a dentist stick, you get little rodeo twisters and a jumbo. And this will be my dog will so love this. For £2, I think that's pretty decent. Each one of these can cost £1 each. So I think I got a little bit of a bargain. And I'm also including my dog in the festivity present giving. So I'm really, really happy with that. I bought this super fun Christmas table. This is just a wipeable Christmas cover. It will only probably be used for Christmas Day. And then if it's still in good condition, I'll put it away and use it next year. But I think £1 for a Christmas cover that looks so cute. It also follows my theme of having red in it. So it matches my cups, and it will match my plates when I buy them. The next little set of Christmas items that I bought are these cute little stars. These 2-pack, you guys will note that with the cost of everything going up, Poundland has put the price of a lot of the items you would have got for £1 a year ago up to £1.50. These little Christmas decorations cost me £1.50. I think that's still pretty decent because I'm getting 2 and they're super soft. They're just super soft and so super nice. So I'm going to use these. I don't know if I'm going to put these on my Christmas tree or I'm going to do something different with them. They probably will feature on my Christmas tree because I love the little silver and white, and it is just cute and adorable. And I was so happy to pay £1.50 for those. I thought I was getting quite a decent bargain. I bought this cute little stress ball because I couldn't stop myself. It is super adorable and it is a little cat head. This is completely sealed. I don't want to open it because I do intend to give this away to a friend. Again, I have crushed the packaging with the way I've put everything inside, but it is super cute and adorable, and I know my friend will really, really love it. She is a cat lover, and it's just a little extra to pop into her Christmas present, but for £1, that was, I think, pretty decent. I purchased these because I thought they were funny. But they've got some weight to them. I mean, I still think I'll wear them just for fun. But I bought these novelty light up earrings. They're candy canes. I thought they were so cute and adorable. They come with the little silver hook at the top, and apparently they have 3 settings. I don't know how these work. I don't even know if they do work because I haven't tested them. Oh, no lights. Oh, flashing, softer flashing, and then just on. I don't know if this one needs a battery or how a battery would go in. I don't think you can replace the batteries. I don't really mind that it isn't working. I think I would prefer them to be lit up, but if they don't, they don't. That's perfectly fine. It's just a novel little thing for Christmas. But they are cute and adorable, and even without the light, I still think they're a lot of fun. So guys, the last thing I purchased, which is my favorite item that I've purchased so far. I'm just going to move some of these things off the table. Let's move some of these things back into the bag so I can show you guys what I'm super excited about. I purchased these. These are a pack of 5 light up sticks. They're candy canes, they're LED, and they're warm white. They are so cute and adorable. Guys, I've already opened these and taken them out because I purchased some batteries when I was in Poundland, and I wanted to first and foremost, these little pack, by the way, guys, cost me £5. I think that's pretty decent for some outside decorations. But I wanted to make sure that they worked before I kept them. So I put batteries in them. Look how cute these are. I love the fact that you can see through them, and they just look totally adorable, and it's something that I've never had before. You've got this really heavy duty battery pack, which I guess is useful because they are going to be outside. It looks to be completely rainproof. Completely rainproof. How did I turn these on? Huh. Maybe inside. Oh, the buttons at the top. You can see this is heavy duty. Look how pretty these candy canes are. So there's no multifunction on these. These are just on or off. But look how soft and glowy and pretty these are. And they're going to look super fun in my front garden. It's just going to make it look like a fun little winter wonderland. And for £5, I mean £5 for 5 of these, I think is pretty decent. This one, the little lights pop off, but I will pop a little hot glue on that and fix it. I'm not mad at it, but how adorable are they? So guys, that's everything that I've bought in this haul for Christmas. I wouldn't be surprised if another Christmas haul or two comes around on my channel. It is my favorite time of the year. It makes me so happy. I think I get that buzz of energy around Christmas. I hope you guys do too. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. That if you guys like this video, please smash that like button. Leave comments in the comment section below and let me know what's your favorite item. I'd be really, really interested in what you guys are interested in. And if you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. And I'm going to catch you next time. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun. Take care, everybody. Please stay safe. I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.